Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 5 and let me show you how to open and how to use the mobile hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon. Let's find and select settings, choose connections tab. Right here you have to choose the mobile hotspot and touchscreen. Here let's enable the mobile hotspot by using that switcher. Turning on mobile hotspot will turn off the Wi-Fi, so you have to be aware of this. Let's turn on the mobile hotspot. And that's it. You just create the mobile hotspot, but you can also tap on the mobile hotspot name right here, and here you can set up your hotspot. So you can choose the network name, you can change the password, but you have to be aware that the password has contained at least 8 characters. And here you can also read the connected devices list. So that's it. If you would like to disable the hotspot, let's use the same switcher. And right now you just turn off the portable Wi-Fi hotspot from the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.